Bachchanji, thank you so much as always, sir, for being with us. I'd also like to invite our partner Nitish of RB and Manisha, who's the Principal Secretary Urban Development in Maharashtra, doing a lot of work in Swachh India. It's always a pleasure, sir, to have you with us. And Nitish, as we move towards season 4 of this initiative of trying to clean up India. So it's all science studies have shown that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is perhaps the most successful, one of the most successful campaigns that the government has done. And it's got a lot of popular support. Now, we have over the last 2 or 3 years, as you know, raised funds, 281 crore rupees. We got more than 1 crore of hours pledged to people. And then you spoke about this, Mere 10 Gaz, which is cleaning up the area. Today we're talking about waste management, which perhaps is one of the most important areas going forward.
As I was just saying, Vikram, I'm very happy that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has taken off so well and has become very popular. But we now need to move to the next step. Last year we pledged 10 Gaz, 10 yards of the area where you stay. If everyone cleans it up, then the entire region gets clean. But now what we need to do is what to do with that waste. So what we are asking people to do now is to, first of all, collect the waste, segregate it, and then transfer it into compost. Compost, as we all know, is a very healthy ingredient, can be used as fertilizers. And also the fact is that you don't have to get rid of this garbage into the landfill. You actually convert it into something more productive.
And that's really, really required because people don't understand just how much waste is being generated. Something like 1 lakh tons. Which I'm going to just get you before I get Nitish in here. The amount of garbage that is actually being collected across India, something like 1 lakh tons a day. The figures are frightening.
Actually, this thing is so timely because in Maharashtra, from 1st of May onwards, we are beginning a campaign of segregation of waste. And we plan to take it in the next 7 months. But the idea is to tell each household to segregate their waste into wet waste and dry waste and do composting out of wet waste.
Okay.
And we also believe that this is going to be the solution of our solid waste problem.
Okay. Nitish, let's just view, as we start walking, just wanted to get one quick opening comment from you. The campaign itself, collected funds, collected hours, then Mr. Bachchan said start cleaning up your area, and last year we did a lot of focus on 10 iconic locations of tourist interest, which have now been cleaned up. Golden Temple, now it's looking stunning. What is this? What are your goals for this?
I think this is really the passing on of the movement to individuals. I think ultimately it becomes a movement when people start taking responsibility themselves. And if people commit to making sure that their 10 yards are clean and the rubbish that basically is being generated in that area is properly taken care of, that's really attacking the root of the problem. So I think this is the way it becomes really a mass cleanup exercise.
Well, let's just take an example, sir, if we can, as we start walking, of what this particular house in Colony has done. We are here in Mumbai. This is the Vijayanagar Housing Society. There are 2,000 people out here, sir, and they collect 4,500 kilograms of wet waste every single day. Now, that could be, actually, that will just end up in a landfill, but they segregate it, they compost it, and they separate it, and that's what we're going to be seeing now.
I think that's really wonderful. And I'm so happy that, through our campaigns, we've been able to propagate this idea of not just getting rid of waste and garbage, but also making use of it by converting it into compost. Many people, for example, dry leaves, waste food, for example, that needs to be segregated from glass and plastic. And all this goes into a machine which converts it into compost. And that is used as a fertilizer. You can use it in your lawns and all these plants. If you can put it up, it's very healthy for them. So you don't actually get rid of the garbage. Yes, it's wonderful to collect the garbage. But eventually to put it away somewhere is also a problem. And compost, the making of compost has now facilitated the garbage to be converted into a very useful fertilizer.
Well, sir, they are here. They're from the garden. I think they want to tell you how they do it.
कैसे आपने ये सब किया? तो पहले आप लोग garbage collect करते हैं, कचरा, ओके, फिर उसको छांटते हैं आप, उसको छांट दिया, ओके.
You can just hold the mic and explain.
तो ये तो dry waste है. ये वेट है।
ड्राई वेस्ट में सब प्लास्टिक है, मेटल का कुछ है, थर्माकोल का कुछ है, वो सब मटेरियल उसमें जाता है।
ओके।
हाँ, और ये जो वेट वेस्ट आप देख रहे हैं उसमें मैक्सिमम किचन वेस्ट ही रहता है, क्योंकि वो जो
वेजिटेबल के छिलके वगैरह जी
अनयूज पार्ट है, यहाँ तक कि लेफ्ट ओवर फूड या फिर स्पॉइल्ड फूड भी उसमें डाला जाता है
जी,
तो वो सबका मैन्योर बनता है।
जी जी बिल्कुल।
और इसके सेग्रीगेशन का मकसद ये है कि जो ड्राई वेस्ट है वो रिसाइकिल हो सकता है, और अगर उस कचड़े के साथ ये वाला कचड़ा अगर मिक्सड अप है तो फिर उसको रिसाइकिल करना मुश्किल है। यही मेन मकसद है। आप
Then for the third category waste, we wrap the sanitary napkins and diapers like this.
Oh, okay.
Then we put it in the pink stickered dustbin so that it can be
it's got a
separately.
pink sticker on it.
Yeah, so it can be separately identified as the third category waste.
Oh, okay.
So dry, wet, and bio category or hazardous category which can't be recycled.
Give it a separate category. Yeah.
आप कुछ कह नहीं थी?
We do not put e-waste in either of these garbages. We conduct e-drive every 6 months.
Every 6 months.
Electronic waste.
Oh, okay. हर 6 महीने आप ये करते हैं। कितने बच्चों को आपने ये सब सिखाया है? बहुत सारे।
All.
सोसाइटी में जितने आपके बच्चे हैं, कब करते हैं आप ये काम? दिन भर करते हैं, खेलने के टाइम के बाद करते हैं, पढ़ाई के समय के बाद करते हैं, कब करते हैं सब?
जब भी बनता है तो।
जब टाइम बनता है। ओके, बहुत गुड, वेरी नाइस।
और इसमें क्या आपको कोई मुश्किल होती है लोगों को कहने में कि ये करना चाहिए, कि सब सोसाइटी के सब लोग करते हैं?
There are some people who don't. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
all these people, they go to door campaign. They do. All volunteers go. They all are working, but they go door to door and they convince people to segregate and cooperators, and all are cooperating. Rather, we are spending on it. All of us are spending on it. We give.
तो आपके सोसाइटी में कंपोस्ट मशीन लगाई हुई है?
Not machines.
We have construct the pits, or we have naturally compost our wet garbage.
Oh,
We'll just
okay.
go and see.
So
But
we
if
would
you can
like
just show
to-
us how this is operating, this is working.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
You can see this
food waste.
Yeah.
छिलके सब है, ये सब लेफ्ट ओवर फूड भी जो बचता है वो भी वेस्ट नहीं जाता है, इसका कंपोस्ट बनता है।
Which paper?
ये गीला पेपर भी उसमें डालते हैं, because paper is also we
Paper
avoid
also
to
goes,
use
yeah.
plastic for that also.
So this is everything biodegradable.
Yes, correct.
And that can become compost.
We are using natural decomposition process. So we would like to.
फिर नेक्स्ट क्या होता है, यहाँ से कहाँ
यहाँ
जाता
से
है?
उठा के हम लोग जहाँ पे पिट्स कंस्ट्रक्ट किया हुआ है यहाँ पे लेके जाते हैं।
Okay, let's go and see the pits then. Manisha, is this pretty much as per
Yes,
best practice?
It is indeed a best practice, and we have in fact requested these wonderful ladies out here to act as volunteers or ambassadors to other societies in Mumbai.
You're thinking of how to roll this out in every
Yeah, actually, I had
society.
a
in the-
question for them. अगर कोई आपके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करता है, आपके सोसाइटी में इतने लोग हैं, सभी तो नहीं करते होंगे, तो आप उनको कैसे मनाते हैं फिर?
शुरू में थोड़ी तकलीफ होती थी, नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आज सबको ये मालूम हो गया है कि दिस इज़ नीड ऑफ एन आर्ट। सो कन्विंस करने के लिए एक पॉइंट भी बहुत ज़रूरी है बोलने को, कि हमारे घर का कचरा किसी और के सामने, घर के सामने, किसी और के दरवाजे के सामने डाल के फेंक के हम खुद को साफ सुथरा नहीं महसूस कर पाएंगे।
पर इसमें कुछ इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट भी होता होगा, रिसाइकिल करके पैसा आ सकता है, और जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल है उससे कंपोस्ट बनता है, मैन्योर,
बाय प्रोडक्ट बोल सकते हैं
वो
उसे।
बाय प्रोडक्ट है।
Sir, recycling वाला जो है ना, we are giving it to Akar organization which is supported by BMC. So that goes there where actually they have united rag pickers. Through them it goes to recyclers, so they get some earning. So we give our dry garbage free of cost.
But let's just walk if we can and see the compost pits which are there. Manisha, can you?
Yes, I think we are all convinced that if we have to make India Swachh one day, this is the beginning. You segregate your waste, wet waste becomes compost, dry waste goes for recycling.
And right now, if you could just tell us the scale of the problem. I mean, the number of landfills there are 20. I mean, most of the big cities have landfills, and they are already getting filled up because the amount is so much.
That is
a million tons
simply
every 10
not
days.
going to be sustainable. In Maharashtra, for instance, much of the waste is mixed waste today, and it goes all in the dump site or the landfill. But if we do it this way, I feel very confident that in the next 2 years, at least 50% of our cities will be segregating waste and therefore solving the problem of our garbage.
I just feel the mindset of people has to change. I mean, it's all very well that we provide all these technical facilities and campaigns, but I do feel, you know, Vikram, that there should be a campaign how to change the mindset of people.
Yes, sir.
वो अपना निकाला उधर फेंक दिया या मेरा नहीं है ये किसी और का है. You know, that attitude has to change. Because once that attitude changes, we start working collectively. And today at this society, it's a wonderful example to see that as a society, they're all committed to one simple cause.
Sir, I must say this, that because of your campaign on compost, when we go to small towns with this message, they have already seen you. They have seen the campaign on compost and therefore they are very much excited. And on this 1st of May, we are starting in all our urban towns.
So, Amitji, that's I think what Nitish and I would both want to say to you, that this campaign is really what will hopefully change mindsets, and you're saying it makes a bigger difference than
there is a psychological, you know, barrier in a lot of us. अपना घर साफ कर दिया, उधर सामने फेंक दिया. उसका problem मेरा problem नहीं. I think we have to, you know. So the question that you were asking that lady, you know, what or you asked, Nitish, what happens if someone doesn't agree? I feel that if someone doesn't agree, then the person who's doing this work should also work for that person voluntarily. Clean up his mess. Set an example. अपना ही नहीं देख रहा हूँ मैं आप
Gandhigiri.
Yeah, almost, yes. Go and do his work, and after a couple of days, I'm sure that they will also feel a little embarrassed that somebody else is doing my work, and I should join in with them. There are many such things that I feel should be done in order to collectively get everybody to think on a common plane.
Right, so well, that biodegradable waste, this is what happens to it. It comes here at the back of the society to these 2 pits where it is translated into compost. So maybe somebody can explain to us. Let's just come to that pit.
Sir, we have employed Stree Mukti Sangatana for this actually. Stree Mukti Sangatana has also organized rag pickers. So
that's an association?
Yeah. So 3 Parisar Bhaginis are being employed to carry out this composting procedure over here. We have total 5 locations, 10 composting pits. So every location we have 2. One will be redundant and one will be working. So this is previous month's garbage.
When this becomes redundant, you start filling it again.
Previous month's garbage, almost manure is ready to use, but now we will be giving air, taking it to terrace, then we crush it. And then you can see this kind of
I just want to know, once you put the garbage in here, is there any other process that has to be done?
I think they're showing you here. This is fine.
So far as
So you put the garbage in here.
Yes.
And then
हमारा टोटल 500 फ्लैट्स है, तो वहाँ पे रोज का 150 किलो वेट वेस्ट जनरेट होता है और 150 किलो ड्राई वेस्ट जनरेट होता है. तो जो भी कुछ 150 किलो वेट वेस्ट है वो 5 लोकेशन पे डिवाइड होता है और एक लोकेशन पे ये प्रोसेस चलता है.
नहीं, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि जितना भी गार्बेज आता है सेपरेशन के बाद, सेग्रीगेशन के बाद, उसको यहाँ डाल देते हैं.
यहाँ डाल देते हैं.
यहाँ पर डालने के बाद क्या प्रोसेस होता है? कोई केमिकल प्रोसेस है?
It is not at all a chemical process. Padma Shri Dr. Sharad Kale from BRC, he has developed this procedure of natural composting. So we have got the culture through Stree Mukti Sangatana from Dr. Kale.
So बस यहाँ डाल देते हैं और अपने आप को
convert. So it is just like fermentation of curd. So daily पहला वाला कर्ड लेके दूसरा लगाते हैं. Similar to that, earlier 2 years back, whatever culture we had brought from him, so the same culture we are continuing.
तो बस इसमें डाल देते हैं, अपने आप compost बन जाता है.
And churning is the key.
Churning करना पड़ता है.
So you can see these are the pipes which are there for aeration.
Okay.
Aeration is required for composting.
वो हम लोग आपको एक डेमो दिखा देंगे कि जो भी कुछ प्रोसेस होता है यहाँ पे, वो डेमो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा.
Let's just step back.
These are those 3 Parisar Bhaginis.
हर एक पे यहाँ पे लाके रखते हैं. वहाँ से वो उठाती है, पूरा कचरा यहाँ पे स्टोर करती है. उसमें से अगर जो भी कुछ प्लास्टिक अगर कुछ बचता है तो वो सेग्रीगेट हो जाता है. जो भी कुछ सेग्रीगेट होने के बाद वो ड्राई में चला जाता है और अभी एक बार वो वापस थोड़ा छिलका रहेगा तो थोड़ा कट करेंगे ताकि ज़्यादा से फास्ट उसका डिकम्पोजिशन हो जाए, क्योंकि अगर वो बड़ा हम लोग रखेंगे तो उसको डिकम्पोजिशन होने में टाइम लग जाता है, इसलिए थोड़ा वो कट करेंगे उसको।
तो अगर किसी ने बिल्कुल ठीक से सेग्रीगेशन नहीं किया है तो यहाँ हटा लेते हैं,
हटाते हैं एंड दैट वी गिव टू ड्राई वेस्ट ओनली, लाइक सम प्लास्टिक वी कैन सी,
थोड़ा बहुत प्लास्टिक जो भी बचता है वो
you can't expect 100% from everyone.
But do you see an improvement?
Yes, yes.
Over a
Yes,
period of
yes,
time,
Over a
people
period
know
of 2
exactly
years,
what.
yes, definitely.
Definitely, because we are always campaigning and educating the people.
Continuous campaign.
Please don't throw your dye waste in wet waste. So थोड़ा थोड़ा हो जाता है।
और जितना प्योर वेस्ट का कंपोस्ट होगा सर, प्योर ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट का, उतनी उसकी कमर्शियल वैल्यू
होती है, बढ़ती है।
बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो टाइंग अप विद द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज फार्मर्स आर ऑलवेज इन नीड ऑफ कंपोस्ट। देयर ओनली कंडीशन इज दैट इट शुडंट कम फ्रॉम मिक्स्ड वेस्ट, मतलब उसमें प्लास्टिक ना हो, ग्लास ना हो। सो अगर आप प्योर वेट वेस्ट का कंपोस्ट बनाते हैं, इट हैज़ अ ह्यूज मार्केट।
और अगर मशीन का होगा तो उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगती है, तो हम लोग वो भी चाहते हैं कि वो भी थोड़ा हम लोग पावर
मोर ग्रीन
यूज कर सेव करें।
There are wonderful machines actually that compost.
So this compost can be used by farmers. So you don't need, instead of urea and other fertilizers,
Yes,
this
they-
is
they
all
alternate.
natural.
We have got it tested
Compost is
from
really good
RCF.
for farming.
RCF का वहाँ पे रिजल्ट मिला है हमें, देख
टेस्ट करवाया है
गुड
RCF से।
This is the final product. Oh wow, look at that.
Superb.
We have named
We use it for our plantation.
And this ever-growing demand
Pedal
for
them.
organic vegetables
Yes.
will
yeah.
actually be met ultimately by this compost.
No, it's not just good as a fertilizer, Vikram. It actually strengthens the soil as it goes. Yeah. So during the rains and the monsoons and all,
Yes.
you know, the wearing away of the earth.
वो जाली बनाया है ताकि rodents और
Okay,
ये
okay.
सब डिस्टर्ब ना हो जाए।
तो उसके बाद इसको अंदर डाल देते हैं।
हाँ, ये अभी थोड़ा पोर करेंगे।
Okay.
It's all right. No, it's okay.
Pour it and churn it.
Taking care to separate the plastic.
Even the garbage buckets, they're not using plastic to collect it, they use paper.
Yeah.
No problem, because later on we can remove it. Whenever we are processing it, we remove it. Because it's not machines. So even if plastic remains there, it is not hazardous for the manure.
So after this, once this is done, then what happens to it? You just take it out.
Pouring it for 1 month daily.
Yeah.
After 1 month, जब वो fill हो जाता है, 3-4 pit, we will stop that pit and start another pit. And give it 10 minutes for set.
To settle down.
Settle down.
You know, what I find most impressive is that इतनी छोटी जगह में पूरे सोसाइटी का 1 महीने का कचरा
नहीं, एक नहीं है, हमारे पास
10 pits we have.
5
10
locations.
location पे 10
There'll be
pits
5
है,
pits.
जो कि
It's a big
बहुत कम
society.
जगह है for
But
Right,
all
so,
the
you know,
same,
and
they
it's-
have 10 such
10
pits.
such pits.
Every
But
location.
the
30
interesting
kg.
thing about this society is you also do sewage treatment.
yes, sewage treatment.
वो आप
We have 2 plants. One plant is located here, which takes care of half the society, which is about 135 cubic meters. And there is one more plant on the other side, which is 150 square meter, which takes care of other half of the society. We have total 500 blocks, and all the water which is from the washroom, basin and sink, it is collected. Around 80,000 liters of water we treat it and then use it for our all flushes. Around 900 flush tanks of all toilets are being provided this water.
So you recycle that water?
Yes, we give a treatment,
So
aeration.
you're actually saving water.
Yes, we are saving 80,000 liter of tap water or BMC water every day. So that is something we are giving to the nature earth from our side.
I think what Amit ji said started by saying that if a lot more societies would take the onus on their own Can the government also give assistance to get others to do it? Because then your problem becomes so much less.
Absolutely. Actually, what we really need is pioneers and role models. I am sure lot of societies are going to take the role Vijayanagar as an Adarsha or ideal and do it. And in fact, because we are starting this campaign on 1st of May, we are in discussion with all corporations to involve their citizens and involve the pioneers. And I think Vijayanagar can really take it forward to other societies.
You know, why don't you initiate some kind of an incentive? That if a particular society does this kind of work, you know, you can be rewarded. You know, some of us can actually go and be present there. We can publicize.
Some debate in the property tax or something can be thought of.
I think that's not a bad idea.
I can volunteer to.
We have submitted the request for giving us a rebate in property tax.
Sir, so far as Maharashtra is concerned, we have an event coming up in the mid of May. We would certainly see to it that some incentive for zero garbage is put in place by May. And we would also request you, sir, to join.
I would love to do that. You know, I would voluntarily come, even if it's just to meet the society people, take a few photographs, compliment them for their work.
What other help do you need from the government to get zero garbage? Because you're not putting any load on the rest of the municipal infrastructure. You're taking care of it all within the society. So rebate on property tax is one idea, and I think it's a fair suggestion that you made. It's a fair point he's making, because they are taking the load off you.
Correct.
What else? What other help can you ask from the government?
वो पिट्स बना के दे सकते हैं लोगों को, जहाँ पे ऐसे पिट्स अदरवाइज मशीन्स लगवा के दे सकते हैं.
Fair point.
These ladies that are working here, they come from an organization?
Yes, Stree Mukti Sangatana.
Okay.
They are rack pickers and they train them for this only, for composting house.
Take an initiative for this since many years.
Because they are doing such important work, maybe you should look after them as well.
Absolutely. I think Madam's point is well taken. We will have a thing in place in the next 4 weeks.
One more. Extended corporate responsibility. I mean, whatever producers are producing like diapers and sanitary napkins, they don't take care of its disposal. If they are charging little more for that, and if they are taking responsibility of disposing that will be better.
I think that is something Government of India is working. But so far as property tax is concerned and building of such composting pits is concerned, is our responsibility. We'll have something in place in a month or so.
Yeah, you have to help
now
them.
We have to figure out how to roll this out to other states
also. And make Bharat Swachh in the process.
She said bio-waste is a huge amount of waste which needs to be looked after, how it can be properly scientifically disposed of.
All right, so we've seen an example out here of how it actually works in practice. I'm going to take a very quick break, sir, and then we can, maybe we have some other experts joining us and we can try and get some thoughts on how to actually roll this out at a pan-India level. What else can be done? So we'll be back in just a couple of minutes, maybe show you some of the top stories, and then we'll be joined with the experts.
This is the final product. You can
smell it. You will not feel any.
It's pure.
Zero smell.
You will not feel that it is made from the final product of the waste.
I know. It's wonderful.